Hello, today we will guide you through how to access Moomoo AI. To begin, open the Moomoo app on your phone or tablet. Give it a moment to load and make sure your internet connection is stable so the interface appears promptly. Layouts can vary slightly between versions or regions, but the overall flow is the same. Once you are on the home screen, look toward the bottom right area of the app. This is where key shortcuts typically live in the navigation bar. You may see an icon or label related to AI, such as a small robot, a chat bubble, or a dedicated Moomoo AI entry. If your app uses a menu in that corner, tap it to reveal the options available there. The goal is simply to locate the Moomoo AI access point in that bottom right section. When you see the Moomoo AI option, tap it to open the AI interface. This will bring up a chat-style screen with a text box at the bottom. Think of it as your assistant for quick information, explanations, and guidance related to markets and the app. If this is your first time opening it, the page may display a short introduction or tips. You can move straight to the text field when you are ready. Next, try asking a sample question. In the message box, type something clear and specific so the assistant can respond accurately. For example, you might ask for a simple explanation of a financial term, a high-level overview of market hours in your region, or help finding a feature inside the app. If you want to test data-related answers, you could ask for a general summary of recent market trends. Keeping your question focused will usually produce a clearer reply, and you can always refine it with a follow-up. After you have typed your question, press Enter or tap the send icon to submit. The assistant will process your request and display a response in the chat window. Read through the answer, and if you need more detail, continue the conversation by adding context or narrowing the topic. Remember that responses are for informational purposes and may not constitute financial advice. Always verify important details before making trading decisions. If something looks unfamiliar, you can ask the assistant to clarify terms or provide a brief example. That's it. By opening the app, navigating to the bottom right area, launching Moomoo AI, entering a sample question, and pressing Enter, you are ready to explore what the assistant can do and build from there with follow-up prompts.